Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of September 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of -0.48% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of -0.24% since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The present 3-month trend forecasts a possible change of approximately -11.43% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -18.08% to -0.0145%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -22.72%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary widely, potentially fluctuating between -97.35% and +90.85% over the coming year. In current terms, this may result in a future price that falls between approximately 0.441 and 31.83. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation declined by nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 5th of September, 2025. The price fell from $16.76 to $16.68. This marks a continuous decline over 5 consecutive days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.38%, reaching a low of $16.43 and a high of $16.99. Over the past 10 days, the stock has decreased in value on 7 occasions, resulting in a total decline of 4.3% for this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, albeit amidst falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, 7 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $108,075,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 69.5% or $38, lower than the 52-week high, and 78.99% or $62.70, below the all-time high achieved on the 26th of March, 2024, when it reached $79.38. Trump Media, with the ticker symbol DJT, has finalized a purchase agreement with Crypto.com. This agreement involves an exchange of cash and equity for Kronos, also known as CRO. This follows a push in late August to integrate CRO into Truth Social, Truth Plus, and a new crypto treasury vehicle aimed at accumulating CRO tokens. The company has also progressed plans for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund-type filing, positioning Truth.Fi as a financial technology venture alongside its social media and streaming services. In the short term, this agreement is expected to boost DJT shares due to renewed investor enthusiasm and speculative interest, particularly as markets begin to factor in potential user engagement and new avenues for monetization. Be prepared for increased volatility linked to CRO and broader cryptocurrency movements. Looking ahead, the longer-term results will depend on effective execution. Successful integration of wallets and rewards could diversify revenue streams and justify a higher valuation multiple. However, stock issuance, cash expenditures, and concentrated cryptocurrency holdings may expose the company to dilution, balance sheet fluctuations, and regulatory risks. Ultimately, the valuation of DJT will mirror the cycles of the cryptocurrency market and the progress made in transforming platform activity into sustainable revenue. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell recommendation. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 2.65%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term outlook. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, there is an overall sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $17.27 and $17.75. A breakout above either of these prices would trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 144 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 139 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.39. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and given the solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. In the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $0.55 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.38%. Over the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $16.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry opportunity, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August, 2025, Eric Swider performed an insider sell of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, George Edward Bell conducted an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the same day, David Longley Bernhardt also conducted an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, George Edward Bell performed an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 20th of February, 2025, David Longley Bernhardt also performed an insider buy of 0 shares. Based on the 86 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.277. Overall, insiders purchased 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,050,810 shares in the last 86 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.80, which reflects a decrease of 5.29%. This stock experiences medium daily price fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, indicating that it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the general potential for a turnaround, it might also be considered a hold candidate, suggesting that one could hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 1.83 cents, starting trading at $16.70. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.